Today, we've got some piping hot details about Samsung's next-gen marvel, the AI features in Galaxy S24 series. But before we dive into the juicy bits, remember, we're sifting through leaks, so sprinkle a bit of skepticism on your excitement pancakes. So imagine this. You're chatting with your friend in Japan, discussing the latest ramen joints, and boom! The Galaxy S24 series is about to drop a linguistic bombshell. Live translate during phone calls. Yes, you heard it right. Real-time translations while gossiping about the best noodle spots. But wait, there's more to this Samsung saga. Now buckle up, because we've got some AI magic up Samsung's sleeve. Leaked intel suggests a feature called Generative Edit. It's like Google's magic eraser, but Samsung's got its own flavor. Arsène Lupin, the Sherlock of leaks, claims to have stumbled upon some promo materials, and boy, oh boy, does it get interesting. Just like Google's magic eraser on the Pixel 8 Pro, Generative Edit lets you play Picasso with your photos. Move stuff around, make unwanted objects vanish, and fill those empty spaces with AI Finesse. But here's the catch. Just like a good thriller, it needs a plot twist. You'll need a Samsung account login and an internet connection to unleash the AI wizardry. Qualcomm's high-end chip didn't save us from that one, did it? Now, here's the scoop. Samsung's not playing favorites. Unlike Google, which makes you dig deeper into your pockets for the Pixel 8 Pro to taste the magic, Samsung's spreading the love. Generative Edit is rumored to be available across the entire Galaxy S24 lineup. That's right, folks, democratizing AI wizardry for all. And speaking of AI, Samsung's been flexing its AI muscles with the Galaxy AI experience based on the mysterious Gauss LLM. The S24 series is the canvas where Samsung's AI artistry is set to shine. Rumor has it that January 17th is the D-Day for the global launch. So mark your calendars, set your alarms, and get ready to witness Samsung's AI Symphony. There you have it. The Galaxy S24 series might just be the next chapter in Samsung's AI Odyssey. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech adventures, and ring that notification bell because we'll be your trusty guides through the tech labyrinth. Peace out.